Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Meltwater, so please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Meltwater, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Meltwater is a media intelligence and social listening platform that helps businesses, marketers, and PR professionals monitor news, social media, blogs, podcasts, online forums, and yeah, it's widely used for brand monitoring, analysis, competitive analysis, PR management, and influencer marketing. So as you can see, some influencers use this platform to markets their products. And yes, so that's the Meltwater key features. They have media monitoring, social listenings, analytics, influencer marketing, etc., etc. So now, how can you use it? So in order to use it, you need to request a demo. So it actually comes with a price, and you need to request a demo to actually try the application itself, to download the application itself. And you can do that by clicking request demo. And yeah, you need to input your work email and click continue, and the Meltwater agent, some of the one of the Meltwater agent will help you to set up your account and set up your application. So it comes with a price, so that's actually the uh important part. You need to buy it and what it offers. So actually, as you can see on the home page, you can see the overall overview of the website right here. You can just read it. You can just see the overview features. So as you can see, it actually also integrates AI into their platform. And right here under our suit, so this is actually the product section. So this is where this is where Meltwater explain its main tools and services. So under media intelligence, under media intelligence, they monitors mentions across news, social media, podcasts, and forums. And you can see it right here. You can see there that there's a lot of forums that you can see that showcase their features. And yeah, so as you can see, if you want to monitor, you can now request a demo and you can view the pricing. And under social listening or social analytics, so it gives you real-time insight from you know across all platforms. So as you can see, this is how it looks. So as you can see, if you search, it gives you real-time insights across social platforms. And for example, the name, the time they use in, the type of account, and create, and the name of the person who created it, and also the date that it was edited. And yes, as you can see, also offer social listening, real-time insight from social platforms. And also for media database, so media relation or uh, media database or media relations. And you can actually have access to journalists and influencers. So you can see under Meltwater, there's a bunch of influencers too that you can view to access their blogs, their overview, their interaction. And yeah, some of them, their mark the process of their markets, and how they markets their products, how they run their business, yeah, etc., etc. You can access them right here. You can have social media outreach without sacrificing relationship building, and pitch stories that resonate every time. Yeah, you can forge long-lasting media relationships. You can, interact with other journalists and influencers. And yeah, that's it. It's actually good. And also for consumers intelligence, for sales intelligence, you can actually have audience and market insights. So you discover what your customers really think, want, and need. So your possible customers, it actually shows you an analytics or insights on what would be the queries of your possible customers. So whether they are music lovers, whether they subscribe to DJ and beat makers, whether they interested with musicians, music lovers, music teachers, etc., etc. You can see all of them right here. It actually shows you a insights or reports. That's it. So always on customers intelligence, Meltwater brings market research into the social media age. Don't just move the needle, coordinate across global offices and teams from a single source of truth. And we transfer unstructured data into actionable insight, allowing better decision making. And yeah, that's it. And lastly, for PR analytics or reporting, you can measure the brand impact, shares of voice, and sentiments. And that's it. And make sure that you check out Meltwater AI too. So they actually integrates uh, Meltwater AI. So what if your team could get back 25% of their time every week? So our customers all shares one goal, and they need to allow them to go quickly from raw data to insight driven decision making. And it actually best way to use an AI to lessen the work and make the work easier. That's it. And for so that's it for the product section. And for the solution sections, oh, so here, Meltwater shows industry-specific and role-based applications. So it actually divided by role, by industry, and by company type. So by role, PR teams, under by role, you can see PR teams, marketing teams, and communication professionals. By industry, you can have retail, finance, tech, healthcare, government, etc. And this section explains how Meltwater adapts to different business methods. So by role, by industry, or by company types. And you can just explore each of them to know how Meltwater, function over them for sales, for education, for public sectors, for retails and consumer goods. So for example, you are a retailer or reseller, and you can just click on it to see how Meltwater would help you how to market your retail products. That's it. And for the resources, so this acts like a learning hub. So actually, see in the word resources, so this it's actually gives you blogs, article about PR, marketing, and media trends, reports and white papers, webinars or customer stories that can help you how to use or learn about Meltwater. And you can have an access with industry leading insights, watch on demand expert sessions from Meltwater experts. You can also do product tours, self demo of their products, product updates, events, academies, start advancing your skills. If you want to learn about Meltwater, you want to learn how to use Meltwater properly, you can go to this one academy to start learning. And that's it. So, and lastly, for community community support. And lastly, for about us, you can just see the Meltwater's history, mission, and values, and you can just explore on them if you want, and you can see what Meltwater is about, their missions and visions. So they harness the world data in real time to unlock customers' competitive edge. They promise to always innovate, provide best-in-class service, and deliver sustainable growth through technology and to their people. And that's it. And lastly, for the pricing, as you can see, if you go to the pricing, it does not show transparent pricing on the website. Instead, you'll find request a demo to to know the price on each subscription. So essential, each subscription have their own benefits that you can have, and pricing is customized depending on the tools and scale of monitoring needed. And that's it. So Meltwater in short is structured to introduce show products and solution, to provide resource for education, to highlight company values and careers. So yeah, that's it for the Meltwater. So in conclusion, Meltwater is for the PR teams, for brand reputation management, for marketers, for campaign performance, and competitor tracking for businesses and starts up, for media monitoring and influencer outreach, and for agency managing multiple clients, media presence. So that's the Meltwater is for. And yes, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.